One of the greatest sportsmen of the modern era, NBA superstar Lebron James, turned 40. He's in his 22nd season in the NBA, and he's not just there filling up a roster spot and playing rubbish minutes. Lebron is still one of the most vital cogs in the wheel of one of the most storied franchises in NBA history, the Los Angeles Lakers. This season, Lebron is averaging 23 points, 8 rebounds, and 9 assists per game. So love him or hate him, give the man his flowers for quality and durability. To be competing and performing at this level, night in, night out, against players who could be his sons. One little issue with LeBron, though, is that in his prime years, he never played with the intensity, desire, and ruthlessness that he's displaying now at the age of 40. If he did, he would have had 6, 7, 8, or 9 championship rings. And the GOAT debate would effectively be over. Oh, it would be over.